So hi guys, my name is Ankit. I'm a growth marketer and marketing automation expert. So in this video, I will show you how to create personalized email using the merge fields in Mautic. So let's begin.
Check my bling. I ride fly on my plane sky high. It's a thug's life.
So Mautic has so many different merge tags which you can include in your email template to give a personalized feel to the person who receives the email. So let's go to the context and click on the down arrow and click on send email. Now a custom email window is open. So I wrote an sample email content earlier. So let's just paste it here. Subject line, the email body. As you can see, it's a generic email content. To make it personalized, we have to add merge tags. So for subject line, I would like to add a first name in the subject line. So merge tag for the first name is contact field equal to first name. Make sure you have to use a single curly bracket and don't forget to close the bracket. Now you can use the same merge tag in the body as well. So let me just add. Now to add the company name, you have to add uh, contact field equal to company. For email signature, you have to add merge field called signature. For unsubscribe tag, you can use unsubscribe underscore text. And for the web view, you can use web view underscore text. Now let me send an email. So let me open the link. So as you can see, system already added the merge fields here. So first name Ankit, thus Ankit Shah is a company name. This is my email signature. This is unsubscribe text and this is the web view text. So here concept is you have to add field name alias after the contact field equal to. To check all the field alias, go to setting here, click on the custom field. Beside the label column, you can see complete list of contact aliases. For title, it's title. For first name, is first name. For company email, is company email. For primary company, is company. Pro tip here is if you are sending bulk emails and some of the fields are not available for some context, then you can use a default text. So instead of writing contact field equal to first name, you can write something similar to this. If any field is empty, then this tag will automatically add default text instead of their field text. So one more pro tip is that before sending any email campaign, you have to send a test email so you can verify all the merge tags are properly merged with the email body or not. Also, I have mentioned all the required merge field tags in the video description, so you can directly copy merge tags from there. So that's it, guys. If you have any queries, then please let me know in the comment section. And if you find this tutorial helpful, then please like and share this video. And finally, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel as I will share more videos on marketing automation and growth hacking. So thank you very much and have a great day. Bye.